Hey everyone, after using OPPO Find X8s for a week, I can state with confidence that it is among the most elegant and well-thought-out little Android flagships available right now. It's important to comprehend the Find X8's position within OPPO's larger Find X8 series lineup in order to enjoy them more. OPPO unveiled the Find X8 and Find X8 Pro last October. They then released the Find X8s and X8s Plus, as well as Find X8 Ultra this spring. Many people consider the Ultra to be the model's spiritual successor because the Pro hasn't been changed in this cycle. Within this generation, Find X8 is the smaller brother, and the X8 Plus is the same size as the original Find X8. The sensation of Find X8s in the hand is what makes it instantly noticeable. You will recognize this device's pocket-friendly design if you have used small-screen phones like the regular iPhone series, Xiaomi's numbered devices, or Vivo's smaller editions. However, OPPO distinguishes itself from its Android competitors in the compact market by producing the thinnest and lightest handset. Because of OPPO's attention to detail, X8s has a distinct appeal despite its well-known size. The grip ergonomics have been improved by the substantial reduction in size of the camera module, particularly for individuals who frequently find their index finger slamming into larger lenses. This design decision improves the device's visual balance in addition to comfort. The Find X8's camera skills continue to uphold OPPO's tradition of producing outstanding portrait photography. Its telephoto sensor is marginally smaller than the X8 Plus's, but it still has the same primary and ultra-wide sensors. In spite of this, the overall quality of the photos is very good, especially when the lighting is good. While taking an impromptu photo session with a young woman in Chongqing, I experimented with the portrait mode. The standard telescopic shot was excellent, but using the portrait mode resulted in some notable improvements, such as nicer skin texture, less black circles, and better lighting. Crucially, OPPO's portrait mode is devoid of excessive retouching. It adds depth and highlights face contours organically by delicate lighting and shadow manipulation, which is more akin to the look of studio lighting than digital airbrushing. Hardware-wise, the enhanced Dimensity 940 Plus chip powers the Find X8s. Performance is flawless, and the device maintains its stability even throughout intense gaming sessions. Both X8s and X8s Plus maintain strong frame rates throughout a 30-minute Genshin Impact session at maximum settings. Another noteworthy feature is the battery life. The X8s has a fairly huge 5,700 mAh cell, which is greater than the original Find X8, and the X8 Plus increases this to 6,000 mAh. An 8-hour online video playing and testing only used 37% of the battery on the X8s, while the previous model used 45%. In conclusion, the OPPO Find X8s is a masterwork in striking a balance between size, performance, and clever software features. It's more than just a little flagship. With its remarkable photography capabilities, long battery life, and well-considered design elements that improve both utility and aesthetics, it perfects the small phone formula. The Find X8 excels in all categories, whether you're a content creator, an amateur photographer, or someone who just appreciates a stylish and functional phone. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, write them in the comments below. Have a nice day, and God bless you.